Imagine the winter quiet and the summer crowds, with wind and gulls as the daily soundtrack. The encircling ramparts offer history and perspective. A fortress never conquered, rooftops below, and the immense bay beyond. Watch the tide expose textured sands, then rush back in, setting the island apart once more. The true magic of Mont Saint-Michel cannot be fully understood without appreciating the landscape it sits in. The bay holds some of Europe's most dramatic tides. The difference between high and low can reach 15 meters. Twice a day the sea retreats, unveiling rippled sand and silt, a temporary desert crisscrossed by channels gleaming under the sky. Then the return begins. The tide comes in famously fast, often likened to a galloping horse, a silent rising flood. Water fills the channels and creeks until the bay becomes a vast